This is my first time taking a look at an air fryer that actually has a glass bowl in the front. And at first I was kind of like, interesting. But you know what? The more that I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is actually super awesome. A couple things I really love about the fact that it's glass. You can actually see your food cooking. I don't know about you, but if you're an air fryer user, I'm considering myself an air fryer queen. I'm always like pulling open the door, pushing it back in, pulling it. You know, you kind of like look for that certain color. You're like, oh, it's ready to flip, you know, because it's all about trial and error. Now I don't even have to open it up and let all that heat out. I can actually just see the food right through the glass, which I think is cool. Another really great thing about this, obviously it's going to be dishwasher safe because it's glass. You can just pop it in there. And the fact that it's not going to get scratched, because mine, every time I pull it out, you know, you're grabbing it with utensils and doing whatever. And when you're trying to clean it, I have all those little scratch marks in it. So now I'm not going to have that with this beautiful glass, which I think is really cool. This one is a 5 quarts and it does come, I just had it on, so I'm just making sure it's not hot. It does come with this little basket right here. Obviously, you can throw the food inside here if you want to, but of course, when we're using our air fryer, we like to have it elevated so that air can actually flow through and help cook it properly. And then super simple to use. You've got your power button right here. And then I don't know if it's like blinking on the screen, but trust me, on here it is totally fine. You have your presets, so you've got like steak right here, you've got fish, you've got fries, you've got chicken, and then you have your DIY, so you can obviously do that for yourself. You can kind of change the temperature here. You can, here's your time, you can go up, and then we can also change the temperature. You can go up or down, and then you just kind of hit that start button, and then it's gonna go ahead and start. And it's really cool to see, because I was looking at it a second ago, and like everything, look at that, like you can see the colors, you can see the coils, everything goes really bright red. I think that's cool. It might be hard to see right now because there's tons of lights, but because I've never had a glass one like this, I never noticed. I think that's really neat. And of course, I love when an air fryer comes with a recipe book. You know, even though, as I said, I do consider myself the air fryer queen, it's always nice to get some new ideas, and this one is filled with some really delicious looking recipes. So yeah, highly recommend.